We're this close to our life not revolving around diapers anymore. Hi guys, Manny from Tiny Sticky Mama here, and there are big things happening in our house this week. I'm going to veer more into the mom life section of the channel at this point because we are starting to potty train our youngest. And I'm going to take you guys along on that journey a little bit because it's a big thing. You know, every parent and child goes through it somehow, sometime, and it's a lot. It can be overwhelming to even just get started or figure out when to get started. And so I wanted to kind of share our experience. And if I can help make that a little bit easier for even one family, it's completely worth it. I want to share with you guys because we have really found a lot of success in the method we use, and I'm basically a potty training evangelist for this book at this point. But so I want to bring you guys with us and kind of share the journey because it's a very universal experience, but very individual at the same time. So if I can help encourage some other parents on their potty training journey, that's exactly what I want to do. So come along and share with us. So we're on our official last day in diapers for Soren, and I am so excited. So today is going to be prep day. We're rolling up all the rugs. We're reminding the girls to keep all their stuff off the floor because anything on the floor is in danger of getting peed on. And we're doing a lot of cleaning because I'm not going to be paying attention to anything but Soren for at least the next few days, because the goal in the beginning is to catch his signals that he needs to pee so that we make that connection for him that he can know when he needs to pee, and teach him that when you feel like you need to go to the potty. So I'm not going to be stopping to sweep or wipe up anything that's not a potty accident, basically. So getting this place as clean as we can before we start is going to help it not drive me crazy and be distracting in the middle of potty training. Good things starting tomorrow, and I'm going to be exhausted and just out of it, I'm sure, by the end of the day, because you gotta watch that kid like a hawk if you want more pee in the potty than on the floor. And you know, the accidents are unavoidable in the beginning, but it's a learning experience. So yeah, this is my third child that I've potty trained, but our first experience with a boy. So we're still gonna go with teaching him to sit to start. Let's catch the basics before we work on the aim, right? And we're using the same method that we used with the other two. So I expect it to go pretty smoothly because it's something we're familiar with. But in an effort to do that, he is going to be naked, at least from the waist down, for the next few days. And since ultimately the goal is for him to manage his own clothing and be able to go to the potty himself, it means saying goodbye to one-piece pajamas and those cute little rompers, and breaking my heart a little bit, but you gotta do what you gotta do. We're setting him up for success, and that means not saddling him with this business when he's trying to do his business, because no kid really is gonna be able at his age to reach between their legs and unsnap it and, you know, get going to the potty in time. So we're setting him up for success right from the start, and that means saying goodbye to these things no matter how stinking cute they are. Because look at that cute little octopus. I love this so hard, I have it in 2 sizes. So I don't know why, it's just an octopus, but I just think it's so stinking cute. But he was about outgrowing it anyway, so it's just time to let go. So I'm excited, his dad's excited, his big sisters are excited, and he's excited. I told him today when I was changing his diaper first thing this morning that it's his last day with diapers, and he clapped, and it was so cute. Exciting things in the house this week. I'm going to be exhausted because it takes a lot of focus these first few days especially, but it's worth it. Alright, I'm getting my son the dignity of not peeing in his pants anymore, and that is totally worth it. And getting away from the diaper routine for a while, and yeah, it's been a long time coming, and I'm ready. He's ready. We're all ready for this. Are you excited for your last diaper?
Mom.
Mom, yeah. Mom's excited for your last diaper.
B.
You say, yay, no diapers.
B.
Yes, baby. He doesn't want it. Sweet dreams, little guy. There it goes, his last day and his last night in diapers. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for me so you can stay with us on this adventure, okay? Bye guys, see you next time. One of the major milestones for, this is terrible, forget this. Alright buddy, what is it? Is this your last night with diapers? We're gonna do this one-piece jammy one last time? Yeah, is that you? Are you excited to not have any diapers anymore? Are you excited for your last diaper? Stop trying to push the button.